Hello folks, today I'm going to be showing you Plesk. Plesk is a web hosting management software that runs on virtual servers and servers. If you have a virtual server or a dedicated server, then you may have been provided with this software. I'm going to show you it now. I'm basically going to show you the differences between how it manages users and how you can get around it. Okay. First of all, you're going to need the URL of the server provided by your hosting company. If you're doing it yourself, then just look up the documentation and change it to taste. We're going to log in first of all. We're going to log in as the administrator. Okay, when you log in as the administrator, you get full access to the Plesk control panel, and you can do various things here. It gives you a rundown of the server, what it's going through. It gives you all the main controls for various aspects, so mail, etc., and domains here. So the domains is where you do most of your work. If you're setting up sort of reseller accounts or giving clients access, then you can do that here. Also, it's got a link back to Virtuoso. Virtuoso is the virtual server container. Now, if you're running dedicated server, you probably won't have that. You may do if you've installed it, but that, if I click on that, basically takes you to what is essentially the computer's software area, where you can make amendments to the software running, what services are running, i.e. what applications do you have running on the server. Also gives you back-end connection and stuff like that. I'm going to log out of this now. I'm going to show you what it looks like if you were to log in as somebody else. Okay, so that we logged in as the administrator there. That gives you full access to everything. If you log in as, say, a user of the site, and I'm going to log in as this lady Tina here. Okay, we log in and you get a totally different screen. Basically, you're just presented with what she's been given access to. In this case, it's just the mail, so she can access the mailbox here. Change her permissions, change some settings. Nothing massively exciting, but that will that'll explain why some people have problems when they log in. They log in as their user and they're like, oh, how come I've only got that? It's because you're not logging in as the administrator. To make big changes like add new accounts and add new email, add new domains, you need to log in as the administrator. And here's a quick look at the actual older version of Plesk. Very much the same sort of thing. So I've already logged in at this stage. The login looks exactly the same, but if we log in, if we go to domains, again, this again starts to look much more like the newer version, and all the things are the same there. I hope that helps and clears up a few issues with people struggling with the login and sort of why they're not getting full control. This should explain that you need an administrator privilege to get full control panel, and if you log in as a sort of normal user, you only get control probably to your email, if not something else, if you're a sort of a reseller or sort of a web manager. Okay.